Namaste everyone. Welcome to this beautiful event organized by our very own North American Hindu Association, also known as NAHA. As you all know, Father's Day is celebrated all across the world, and to recognize the contributions that our fathers and our father figures make in our lives. These contributions are not only limited to the economical support, but it also extends to the emotional, social, cultural, and the spiritual connection that our fathers help us to make. In Sanatan Dharma, we've been told by our sages and our elders that our father's role is impeccable. And now I actually want to invite our first guest, Nirja ji, who will be actually commencing the event with her beautiful voice. I would like to take 30 seconds to introduce her. She's a very, very, very humble person, but she's a very, very trained Hindu classical and light music and Sanskrit teacher. She's a very well-known Indian vocalist. Her voice has delighted and inspired many of us in India as well as Canada. We are very thankful to you, Nirja ji. Please start the event. Thank you.
पिता धर्मः पिता स्वर्गः पिता हि परमं तपः पितरि प्रीतिमापन्ने प्रीयते सर्वदेवताः प्रीयन्ते सर्वदेवताः म्हार घर आवो जी म्हारे घर आवो जी म्हार घर आवो जी प्रीतम प्यारा प्रीतम प्यारा म्हारे घर आवो जी म्हारे घर आवो जी म्हारे घर आवो जी म्हारे घर आवो जी प्रीतम प्यारा प्रीतम प्यारा प्रीतम प्यारा प्रीतम प्यारा तन मन धन सब भेंट करूंगी तन मन धन सब भेंट करूंगी भजन करूंगी भजन करूंगी तुम्हारा मारे घर आवो जी मारे घर आवो जी हो मारे घर आवो जी प्रीतम प्यारा प्रीतम प्यारा तुम गुणवंता तुम गुणवंता तुम गुणवंता तुम गुणवंता सुसाहिब कहिए मोह में आ गुण सारा मोह में आ गुण सारा, मोह में या गुण सारा, मोह में या गुण सारा, मारे घर आओ जी, मारे घर आओ जी, हो मारे घर आओ जी, प्रीतम प्यारा। मैं निर्गुणी कछु, मैं निर्गुणी, मैं निर्गुणी कछु गुण नहीं जानो, गुण नहीं जानो, गुण नहीं जानो, मैं निर्गुणी कछु गुण नहीं जानो, तुम छो बाग सनहारा, मीरा कहे प्रभु मीरा कहे सब, मीरा कहे सब कबर मिलोगे, तुम बिन नैना, तुम बिन नैना, तुम बिन नैना दुखारा, मारे घर आओ जी, मारे घर आओ जी, मारे घर आओ जी, प्रीतम प्यारा, प्रीतम प्यारा। तन मन धन सब भेंट करूंगी, भजन करूंगी तुम्हारा, मारे घर आओ जी, मारे घर आओ जी, मारे घर आओ जी, प्रीतम प्यारा, प्रीतम प्यारा। धन्यवाद।
नीरजा जी, बहुत 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 धन्यवाद. We couldn't have asked for a better commencement. You have, with the Guru Vandana, with the Prabhu Vandana, you have blessed our kids and this beautiful event. We are really
so
thankful
much.
to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mona ji. Thank you.
You have Neerja ji's contact. Whoever wants to, whoever is inspired and wants to be her student, let's do it.
Anytime for Sanskrit, shlok, whatever.
Thank you very much, Neerja ji. Appreciate.
Thank you.
Okay, and now that our kids have been inspired very well with the Prabhu Vandana, let's start. And I'm going to actually start with Pushti Sanghvi. Pushti is only 8 years old, but when you see her dancing, I'm sure you will be amazed. And before that, our beautiful Pushti would like to say a few words for her dad. And I'm going to convey that for you, Pushti, here. Here it goes. Pushti says, my dad is my hero. He's the coolest dad in the world. I'm very lucky to have a dad like him. I really enjoy when we make Maggie treats together. And when mom says no, I agree. But he would always say yes to it. I really love playing with him. Before me asking for things, he makes sure that I get what I want. He's the one who makes me feel like a princess, not just on my birthdays or daughter's day. every day he makes me feel like a princess. He's the bestest dad. Thank you so much, and I really love you a lot. Oh, your father must be so, so, so proud of you, Pushti. That was very beautiful message. Very coming direct from your heart. Thank you so much for sharing it with us too. And now we would like to actually share your performance with all our participants here. Let's play.
All right.
बच्चे से गान मशहूर दिल मेरे को साथ गान गाए जानो बच्चे से गान मशहूर दिल मेरे को साथ गान गाए जानो बच्चे से गान मशहूर
That was a very beautiful expression, Pushti. You deserve accolades.
Thanks.
And everybody's clapping for you. And I'm sure your father is very, very proud of you.
And wish you all,
Thank you. Thank you for sharing with us.
and wish you all a very happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's
Thank you. Thank you very much. And now that we have seen some dancing, let's meet with Adya Janesh. Adya is only 6 years old and she's connecting with us from California. Like we said, this event is actually globally telecasted and everybody from all across North America is joining, and we are really, really obliged to connect with each one of you. Adya, you look beautiful today, and we are really, really excited to hear what you have for us today. Go ahead, Adya. Happy Father's Day.
So, for Father's Day, I made a thing.
Oh, very, very pretty.
It says Best Dad Award.
Good job, Adya. Very good job.
And then I have this card here, and there's one thing that's really special.
Mm-hmm.
I get to open this part, and then here's my picture.
Oh, you stay in your dad's heart. That's what you're showing here.
And I did this inside the card.
Happy Father's Day. You are the best dad ever. That is very beautiful.
And I'm gonna sing a song.
We are ready.
तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो. तुम ही हो साथी, तुम ही सहारे, कोई ना अपना सिवा तुम्हारे. तुम ही हो साथी, तुम ही सहारे, कोई ना अपना सिवा तुम्हारे. तुम ही हो नैया, तुम ही खिवैया, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो. सके ना फूल हम हैं, तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम है. जो खेल सके ना फूल हम हैं, तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम है. दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो.
That's very, very, very beautiful.
Thank you.
Adya, we are really proud of you. And if you really understand the meaning of this song, we are actually trying to say that we believe that our parents are just like our God, and God is residing in our parents. And this is a very, very, very good expression for love. Thank you for sharing your song with us. Moving on, like I said, it's a global meeting and global participation. Let's come back to Canada. We are going to move to somebody who's the youngest participant. They are joining with us from Toronto. Let's see what they have for us. Arha Parekh, who is 6 years old, and with her little sister, Meera Parekh, who is 2 months old. Let's play. Let's see what they have to show us and how they want to express their love and respect for their dad.
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा, तेरे पापा।
यूं तो है तू नन्हा सा, है मगर गुरु सबका। तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान।
I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम, तू शैतान।
But you love me, Daddy.
How nice. That was very beautiful. And like Pushti told us, already told us, our daughters are priceless and they are our precious treasure. Thank you so much, Deepti ji, for getting your beautiful daughters to express this with us. Okay, moving on. We have actually a mother and son who would like to participate, and the mother will be singing a poem. She recorded it. She's at work right now, but she recorded it for us. She wrote it earlier this week. So let's hear from Simranji, her poem. And then right after that, Naman, who's Simranji's son, will be actually singing a song for us as well.
आप सबको मेरा प्रणाम। आज मैं एक छोटी सी कविता मेरे पिताजी के नाम सुनाना चाहूँगी। मेरे पिता मेरे गुरूर, विश्वास योग्य और सच्चे वो हैं मेरे पिता। बचपन में आपने मेरी उंगली पकड़कर चलना सिखाया, हमेशा सही मार्ग दिखाया। आपने मार्गदर्शी करते हुए सही और गलत का अर्थ समझाया। आपकी दी हुई शिक्षा मेरे गीत बने। उनके आदर्शों और सिद्धांतों का पालन किया। जब भी मैं गिर जाती, उन्होंने अपने छत्र छाया में उठाया। अपने आत्मविश्वास से और संभलना सिखाया। वो हैं मेरे पिता। वीरता और गुदस्वर सेना का एक त्रुटहीन कद, वो मेरे पिता हैं। वह मेरे लिए अपने प्यार दिखाने में कभी विफल नहीं होते। उनकी बुझाएं मेरी शरण स्थल और पुरुषार्थ हैं। आपने मेरा साथ कभी नहीं छोड़ा। वो मेरे पिता हैं, वो मेरे गुरूर हैं। पिता दिवस मेरे लिए महत्वपूर्ण है और मैं आपका हमेशा सम्मान करूंगी। आपको गर्व और खुश रखने का वादा करती हूँ। पिता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। नमस्ते।
And now let's see her son. How is he expressing his gratitude towards his dad and other father figures?
आप सबको मेरा प्रणाम। This is dedicated to my Papa ji and godfather who is Raju Papa. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा
That was great expression from Naman. We thank him for sharing this with us, and we will now move on to our next participant,